Our trading strategy remains the best, simple and less complicated trading strategy that you can have. By using just one indicator, you already determine your trend. Using that same indicator, you can highly determine your area of price entry. This is simple, this is easier, so that even as a beginner forex trader, you can understand how exactly to apply this concept. Using our Bollinger Band period 130, deviation is 2.0, shift is 0, you apply to close, you can make the most of the market. And also our moving average period 20, shift is 0, the method is exponential. These two indicators has a lot, and then we have our indicator window, which is our TDI, and of course here are the settings of the TDI indicator. So having said that, how exactly do we go about this? First, you begin by determining the bias of the market, which is very important. What is the bias? The bias has to do with what the trend of the market is all about. So in doing that, we focus on the middle Bollinger Band. So this is the middle Bollinger Band. This is upper Bollinger Band. This is lower Bollinger Band, and then this is the middle Bollinger Band. So using the middle Bollinger Band, we'll determine the trend of the market. So once you've determined your trend, the next is to you to think of your entry, right? So how do we do that? We want to see price trending either above the middle Bollinger Band or below it. So when price is trending above the middle Bollinger Band, it is an uptrend. And whenever price is trending below it, it is a downtrend. So in this scenario, we see from this side that price is trending above the middle Bollinger Band. So now that we've established all of this price movement above it, we knew that we are in an uptrend. Question is, where can we find the best sell entry? Yes, or buy entry. All we need to do is for us to wait patiently for price to come back and retest it since it's above it, for us to find our buy entry. So if you look carefully, you realize that price return back to the Bollinger Band and retest it. So when we are referring to this retest, it doesn't mean price must touch the line. No, we are treating this line as a zone, so price can come around it without touching it, but we knew that that is the zone of the Bollinger Band. So this is how simple the principle is and highly effective it works. So price came close to it, and when price came to it, we need entry confirmation. So immediately we had price around this zone, you will move to your lower time frame, which is your 15-minute time frame. So let's go to 15 minutes and see what exactly happened here. So beautifully well, you can see on our 15-minute time frame, price move to this zone. So when we see price here, what do? We begin to look for a bullish confirmation. And if you look at what happened here, we had a bullish confirmation. Do you see that? We had this, and this is a typical divergence. And because this is an uptrend, once we see divergence, we knew that this pullback is coming to an end. And for that sake of the divergence, we had to make our entry after a confirmation. So that's exactly how you can do that. And if you look at 1 hour, we also had a bullish confirmation, and after that you can see that we have this particular engulfing candlestick on the 1 hour time frame. And that is how exactly you can find your way into this trade. So the process is simple and highly effective. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification to be the first to get notified when we upload our next video. Thank you and see you in the subsequent video.